In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in ActiveCampaign. Managing your contacts effectively is a crucial part of keeping your email marketing campaigns organized and efficient. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to ensure you're managing your contact list smoothly. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section in ActiveCampaign. You'll find this option conveniently located on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. The Contacts section is where you can view and manage all the individuals you're actively engaging with through the platform. Now that you're in the Contacts area, it's time to find the specific contact you want to remove. You can do this easily by utilizing the search bar at the top. You have the flexibility to search either by the contact's name or their email address. This feature is quite handy, especially if your contact list is extensive, making it quicker to pinpoint exactly who you need to work with. Once you've located the contact you wish to delete, look for the drop-down arrow next to their name. This arrow gives you access to the contact menu within the record view of their profile. It's worth noting that you might first need to click on the contact to open their detailed record for this drop-down arrow to become visible. This step is essential as it ensures that you are making changes to the correct individual and helps prevent any accidental deletions. Now, with the drop-down menu at your disposal, go ahead and select the Delete option. This action will cue the system to remove the contact from your list. This step is crucial for keeping your database clean and up to date, removing any entries that might no longer be relevant or needed for your marketing efforts. As a security measure, ActiveCampaign will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete the contact. This is an important step since it gives you one last chance to ensure you are certain about removing this individual. Take a moment to double-check that you're deleting the correct contact, and then confirm your action when you're ready. Doing so will help you maintain a well-organized contact list, which is essential for the health of your marketing strategies. And there you have it. Those are the steps to deleting a contact in ActiveCampaign. Remember, managing your contacts accurately not only helps with better targeted campaigns, but also ensures compliance with data privacy regulations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your experience with ActiveCampaign smoother and more productive. Stay tuned for more helpful guides coming your way soon.